In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cart button on Wix. If you want to make it easier for visitors to buy a specific product directly from your site, adding an Add to Cart button is a simple and effective way to do it. This is especially useful when you want to place a purchase button anywhere on the page, instead of relying only on the default product gallery or store layout. I will walk you through the process clearly, so you can follow along inside the Wix editor. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you are in the editor, go to the left side menu and click Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps the different components you can place on your page, including design items, text, buttons, and store features. After opening Add Elements, select Store. This section contains tools specifically designed for Wix stores. So if your site already has store functionality set up, find the shopping-related options here. Under the Store menu, choose Add to Cart button. This option lets you insert a standalone button that can be linked to a specific product. It's a convenient feature if you want to highlight an item in a custom section of your site, such as a landing page, featured product area, or promotional banner. Next, drag and drop the button onto your page. Place it wherever it makes the most sense for your layout and where it will be easy for visitors to see and click. Take a moment to position it neatly so it fits well with the rest of your design. Once the button is on the page, click the button and select Settings. This is where you'll connect it to the product you want it to add to the shopping cart. In the Products section, look for the option that says Connect this button to and then select the specific item from the drop-down menu. This step is important because it tells Wix exactly which product should be added to the cart when someone clicks the button. Make sure you choose the correct item before moving on. After that, click Design to customize the button's appearance. Here, you can change the layout, adjust the button text, and update the colors so the button matches your site's branding and style. A clear, visually consistent button can help improve the user experience and make your page feel more polished. And that's it. Thanks for watching.